probably in Jurie's house. Got a whole bunch of francolins in the house, and just you can see there through that window. I want to try and get them out as safely as possible and as quick as possible, because obviously they are very stressed at the moment and don't want to get them hurt. And they're also breaking things inside here, flying around. I just heard a window break as well. Try and get them out as possible. Try and get them. I'm going to try and go around from this side. Okay. They can see through the window, but they can't. Okay. Try and get this over there. This can help just calm them down. They can't see through this. Just throw it through this window. This is a crested francolin, guys, and she is extremely unrelaxed at the moment. There you go. Flies away perfectly. Just to guide them into one area. Don't worry, little girl, don't worry. Missed that one. Came right through my legs. Going in the guys, this francolin is cornered inside here. Just want to try and move this mattress a little bit so I can get close to it. This is a different species. This is a Natal francolin. You're going to be just fine. You'll be just fine, don't worry. Okay. Don't worry, little one.
Have a look at it first, just 2 seconds. Okay, there you go.
And caused a little bit of chaos here. I don't know what happened, guys. I think because the elephant came close by camp last night, and I think they had to, I don't know, somehow get to here. Technical problems, I think, that this francolin has caused. So you can never be prepared in the bush. I always follow a saying, expect the unexpected, guys.